Hi everyone, welcome to TSphere YouTube channel, and today video I will show you how to open Visual Studio Code using the command prompt or terminal and how to fix the common error. So here you will see the terminal is open and let's write code to open the Visual Studio. So you will face a problem command not found. So let's fix this problem. Open Visual Studio Code and from the keyboard press Command Shift and V, and then you can write here shell. Click on the second command, install code command and path. Now I'm gonna click on OK to install the path successfully, right? And then cross this Visual Studio Code, and then I'm gonna close the terminal. Again I'm gonna open a new terminal, and here I'm gonna write the command code and then hit the enter button. Now you will see the Visual Studio Code as automatically open when we use the command code. We can also use a second method to open the Visual Studio Code. So I'm gonna cross the Visual Studio Code, and here I'm gonna write open dash a. Inside the double quotation I'm gonna write here the Visual Studio Code, and then close the quotation and then hit the enter button. Now you will see the Visual Studio Code as open without any issue. So you can use the shortcut to open the Visual Studio Code. So here you can write the command code, hit the enter button, and now you will see the Visual Studio Code as successfully open. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.